All right, we're gonna try this again one more time. I think YouTube trying to shut me off, bro. I ain't even do nothing to you guys. Y'all need to chill out. Chill out, YouTube. YouTube trying to shut me off. I'm back on there. I had a couple of I guess things in my description that they didn't like, so they try they try to shut me down. I had a couple of stuff in my description that they didn't like, so they try to shut me down. I took that off. You know, we gotta abide by the rules. So I'm back on here, but I'm gonna try to get through this real quick. Um, I'm not gonna go through all the other stuff I was going through in my first life, so this video is not gonna be that long before they shut me off again if I'm not abiding by the rules. So we're gonna get to this real quick. Now I was saying these brokerages were shortening these stocks, saying they're betting against these stocks that these stocks are gonna fall, and they got these people on Reddit who's like, no, fuck that. We're not letting these stocks fall, especially GameStop and AMC. Those are our stocks. Those are our companies. We love those companies. We're not gonna let y'all run these companies out of business. So they said they're gonna go on there, gather as much people as they can, and start buying up these companies. So they go on there and did that, and these companies' shares and stock price went up. So when that happens, these brokerages are gonna call these hedge funds people and be like, "Hey, this how much I lent these shares to you for, and you said it was gonna drop to this price. It's going up. You don't have the assets and leverage anymore, and we're scared that we're gonna lose all our money. So we want you to sell and give us our money back plus whatever interest that you owe us." So that's what was happening. You know what I'm saying? So now you're like, well, I should have just bought in and let these prices go up and try to make my money from that. Well, the only thing with that is these brokerages was pausing these companies so people weren't able to buy anymore, and they were forcing people to sell. So when you force people to sell, what happened is the prices on these stocks are going to fall. So then you playing right in the hand of the hedge funds who was already betting that these stock prices is going to fall, right? So then you're like, well, whose side these brokers are on? Well, they went on the news explaining a whole bunch of bull, talking about, oh, we're looking out for our investors and making sure they're not losing money and this and that. Well, these people have a right to do whatever they want to do with their money. If they say they want to put their money in these stocks and bet on it, that's what they should be allowed to do. It's a whole nother explanation for that. We'll get to it. But in this video, I want to show you guys how to actually make money from these stocks without taking a high risk of losing all your money by betting that these stocks are going to go up, because eventually they're going to fall. And if you don't catch it, because every time they pause it and then they take the pause off and their stock falls, it goes from 200 to 150. It jumps. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody's selling and trying to get out of there. Now, you don't want to be left holding that bag. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people make some money, but a lot of people you're gonna hear a lot of people lost their money also. Look out for that. Now, how am I trading these stocks right now? I'll tell you that in a little bit. Just go down there, check out WEBULL, hit the link, sign up, deposit $100, nothing more than that. If you want, I advise that you put more. And it'll give you two free stocks. You can sell those stocks, keep the money, or you can keep those stocks and I'll give you advice on how to trade them and things like that. Um, I'm also going to be doing more videos about what stocks you should be putting your money in, especially when it comes to EV and this new AI that America is trending to now. But real quick, I want to give you guys two ways that you should be trading GameStop's AMC, KOSS, and these others ticker symbols that going crazy on Webull and Robinhood right now. Stay away from Robinhood. P.S. They're not paying me, but I'm saying stay away from Robinhood. So when it comes to GameStop and AMC and KOSS, there's two ways you should be trading these stocks right now. And it's called option trading, right? If you don't know what option trading is, I'll make a separate video about that. Go in more details about that. But option trading is basically you betting against a stock that it might go down to a certain price. Then you might say, "I don't, we at Big Red Grouse, we then are doing the same thing that hedge fund people are doing. No, false. With option trading, the maximum amount of money that you can lose is the amount of money that you bet. So you can lose. Let's say you bet $500 that AMC or GameStop is gonna drop to $50 or